Hey guys, in today's video, I will be unboxing my December Ipsy Glam bag. If you're curious to see what kind of fun things they put in this bag, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambazar's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have for you my November Ipsy Glam bag. So there's really nothing else to say about that. Let's jump into it. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. So excited. Let's see what's in here. Alrighty. Ooh, so cute. Look how cute this bag is. This is really cute, guys. I love it. Nice and fuzzy. I'm probably going to keep this one. I usually use these as gifts, but I'm digging this bag. So on top of the bag was this moisturizing avocado sheet mask by Glam It Up. So there you go. And I would say I would use it for Mask Monday, but I don't do Mask Monday. I mean, I'll use it. I could use it on a Monday, but you guys just won't see it. That's all. Awesome. All right, so that's really cool. That was the first thing in the bag. So now let's open this little guy up. Oh my gosh, this is so super cute. Awesome. So they do have their card in here. This is, oh my gosh. Can I just tell you guys, when I saw this, it says home for the holidays. But tell me it doesn't say homey. Homey for the holidays. I'm just saying. It also says that. But it's supposed to say home for the holidays. Okay? Let's just keep this a family channel. Okay, so that first thing that I opened, the Glam It Up Moisturizing Avocado and Nourishing. It says Acai Berry Sheet Mask Set. It's a set? Set. Oh, it is a set. We got some wrinkle care. All right. And then we have some dewy skincare. There you go. Glad I read that. Didn't know it was a set. All right. So it says the superfood infused sheet mask duo is guaranteed to double your glow. Pop on the avocado mask when your skin is in need of moisture. Yeah, pop it on. All right. And use the Acai Berry mask to tighten your pores and smooth the look of fine lines. Awesome. So the bonus, they're both cruelty-free and they're vegan too. Pretty awesome, guys. Alrighty, so the tip is to squeeze any remaining essence from the pouch and massage it into your neck and your chest. So this is a full-size product, ladies and gents. And they are $3 per mask. So the value of this would be $6. Alrighty, awesome. Well, that's really cool. So this next thing in here is Illuminasqua. Don't know how to say it, guys. But it is a skin-based foundation. Okay, so here it is. And you know what? Let's see if this is my color. It looks like it is. Oh, it's sealed up, which is good. But, you know, bad for you guys. Because I don't have anything to open stuff back here ever. Like, ever. And I really want to try this for you guys. Okay, there we go. I broke the seal. Awesome. Ooh. Okay, so let's see if I can, you know, not get too much. There's some right on the top there. You guys are seeing that. So I'm just going to take that and just put it on my skin. So here it is. And let's rub it in. Yeah, I think this will work for me. Looks that way. Can you guys see it? Great. That's the point. All right, so I think that'll work. Let's pull the little card here. The homey for the holidays card. All right, so Illuminasqua. You guys can tell me how to pronounce it. I'm sure I'm saying it wrong, but that sounds pretty cool that way, right? I don't know, whatever. Skin-based foundation in 12. This award-winning foundation is loved by editors, influencers, and makeup artists for its ability to create a flawless complexion. I'm down. Lightweight and supremely blendable. It won't ever look thick or cakey on your skin. That's awesome. The formula is even tested in HD environments to look like a second skin. Okay. So the tip is a pea-sized amount of foundation is all you'll need. All right. A little goes a long way with this product. This is a deluxe sample. The retail price of the full-size version of this, which is 30 milliliters, is $44. And they sent 7 milliliters in their little deluxe sample. Awesome. All right. That sounds pretty cool. We'll give that a go. Why not? Ooh, don't drop stuff. Almost did. Okay. So Beauty for Real And I'm guessing this is a mascara. No, it's a henna lip balm. Oh, okay. Beauty for Real henna lip balm. I'm guessing it's this color here. Okay, so here we go. Everything's sealed, which is good, but bad. Like I always say, you know I'm going to use my teeth. I always do. I'm a teeth user. Okay. And we got it. Awesome. All right, so let's pop this open. Oh, just, yeah. There it is. All right, so here's the color, guys. All right, let's try it on. Okay. It's not super dark or anything. I mean, it'll be fine. It's good. You know, you can barely see it. Whatever. I'll wear that when I'm not going anywhere. All right, so Beauty for Real tinted lip balm. Oh, it's a lip balm. So it's, I mean, it's not supposed to be. Well, that's really good tint for a lip balm. Gotta say, I'm digging that. You get the best of many worlds with this tinted lip balm. It's got a rosy brown tint, delivers all-day hydration, and it's created in collaboration with Brook USA, whose mission is to improve the lives of working horses, donkeys, and mules all over the world. I love it already. Can I buy a whole case? I'm just saying. That's awesome. So the tip is to swipe this balm onto bare lips over the lipsticks or mix it with lipstick for a sheer stain. This is the full size? No, the full size version. I don't know. Is this full size? It might be, but it's $14. Yeah, this is the full size. Sorry, this is a full size product and it is $14. Kind of pricey, but I gotta say their mission is really awesome, so I would definitely buy that again. Okay, so next we have Grace and Stella Do Your Skin a Favor, Use Me Lavender Lotion. Okay, I'm not a fan of lavender. I'm not. I mean, I'll give it a smell and I'll give it to my sister because I don't care for lavender. Oh, it's sealed. Yeah, I'll still open it though. Yeah, ugh, I'm just not a fan of lavender. So, I mean, yeah, I probably won't use it. I'll most likely give it to my sister. She does like lavender. So, this is It's No Secret Winter Weather Can Suck Moisture from Your Skin. Add back hydration all over with this floral scented body cream. They said all over. Did you guys see the size of this? Let me just tell you. It's 1 fluid ounce. All over your body. I mean, my body's not huge, but I'm just saying, how many uses would I get? I'm just saying. All right. So anyways, it's made with cocoa seed butter, aloe vera, and rosehip seed oil to keep your skin baby soft for up to 12 hours. Well, that's pretty impressive. So the tip is lavender is known to relax. Something I never get to do. Maybe I should start liking lavender. I'm just saying. Use this before bed to help you unwind after a long day. So this is a deluxe sample, and the retail price of the full size, which is 470 milliliters, is $17. And like I told you guys, this is 30 milliliters or 1 ounce that they sent to me. Okay, this is a good bag though. I mean, I like it. It's fine. So the last product in the bag is precisely my brow pencil. I guarantee you they sent me the wrong color. We should start putting bets on this. I can't bet much. It's Christmas time, but I'm just saying they probably did. All right. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Neutral deep brown, 4.5. No. I can't neutral deep brown anything. Why do they keep sending me the wrong stuff? I'm definitely going to have to take the time to check my profile because I am never getting the right stuff with these things, and it's really frustrating me. Here you go. Because I do get this stuff for me, but I end up giving all of it away because they never send me the right thing. So, yeah, here it is. Deep brown. I'm sure you can't see it, but I mean, maybe they think deep brown is dark enough for me, but honestly, guys, like I have jet black hair. It just doesn't work. A deep brown is not going to cut it. So let me just read about it for those of you who are interested. It says, getting your best brows has never been easier. Use this multitasking pencil to create long horizontal strokes to shape your brows and shape your brows and short. What does that mean? And short. I mean, clearly, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I mean, look at mine. But I'm just saying, I don't know what that means. Upward strokes to fill them in. Oh, shape your brows and short upward strokes to fill them in. I don't know. It just kind of sounded weird. All right. Thanks to a custom control grip and an ultra-fine tip, you'll get precise hair-like lines every single time. Okay. So the tip is to fill and define using short hair-like strokes. Then use a spoolie brush to blend and fluff. So can I just tell you guys, like, it sounded like I was reading that wrong, but it really does say on here to shape your brows and short. And then it says upward strokes. Why'd they write it like that? I'm just saying. I'm probably going to take a picture of this and zoom in on it for you guys because I'm just saying I was reading it the way it was here and it just seems off. Okay, so the full-size version of this is $24. This is a deluxe sample, and the deluxe sample is 0.26 grams. The full-size version is 0.08 grams. Oh, 0.026 grams. I was like, that sounds wrong. Okay, 0.08 grams. That is a good bit more. Okay, it just sounded off to me. But yeah, so the full-size version of this is 24 bucks. All right, guys, so that wraps it up for my Ipsy bag for this month. I mean, I really love the bag. The bag is great. I really get some use out of some of the products in here, but it just really bums me out every time they send me the wrong color. So it is what it is. Nothing I can do about that, I guess. All right, nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything about Ipsy is linked in the description box below. The glam bag is $12 a month for those of you who don't know. And if you're interested, I will put a link in the description box below so you can get your own glam bag. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Hey, what's up, gorgeous? What was that? Woo, try it again. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. Love their packaging. I really do. Like, I like the little upside down Ipsy. Let's not talk about the packaging. Okay, guys, so what just happened? It almost fell out. Pretty good. Okay, guys, so I got it right the first time. Okay, guys, so wow, I even shook the backdrop that time. Okay, thanks.